It's Christmas Day. Now the snow's picked up. And I've been watching a little squirrel. He's been like running up one tree and jumping across the other one, carrying probably nuts back to the nest because he wanted to dig so deep. I thought I could get him running across there while I'm filming this, but looks like he's taking his time. But anyway, that's what we got going here. There's all the snow down there. Look at there, Tommy. You can have some of this in Florida. Go back up here. I bet Danny and Susie's getting a lot more than that. Yeah, no joke. Should have that camper down in Florida.
They probably ain't seen their grass in a while.